Alright guys, I'm trying not to face her, so if she goes off camera, it's because I'm not looking at her, I'm just trying to hold it in her general direction. And I'm just walking back and forth in my yard. As you can see, she comes close, but she's really not sure. So I'm going to try to go back to the trap and get the steak again. Hey, sweet girl. Yes, you are. You're a sweet girl. She's hungry and she's thirsty. Hey, sweet girl. I'm not trying to chase her. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Hey, how are you? Hi. Alright, I just put my hand out and that's why she went away. Now she's going towards the house. So I'm going to go back here and try to make whatever I'm doing back here interesting to her. Come on, Hope girl. Oh, what a sweet girl you are. Yes, you are. I have a ball. You want to play with a ball? Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Hi. If I bend down at all, you can see her surgery and you see her back leg.